Hello tie knot lovers, Mr. C's Knot Another Tie. Just for a change, I'm going to show you how to do a bow tie. This has been something I've been practicing for a couple of years and I've always struggled, and through watching another couple of other videos I've worked out how to do it, and I thought I'll share it with you because it's not as difficult as you think it is. And if you're thinking this is one of those clip-on ties, it isn't. If I just pull that, there we go, and you can see it is a proper bow tie. So it's one that you fasten properly. I haven't got a dress shirt which would look good with this, unfortunately, so I've just got a normal white shirt. So that was what it looked like. I've taken it apart, and now let's put it back together. And with these bow ties, depending on what bow tie you've got, I just thought it was, you know, you've just got these sort of wingy bits on the end of a piece of thing, but I didn't realise that this is adjustable, and I've actually noticed that if I can just focus in on it, it's got numbers on it, and it's for your shirt size, your collar size. And this one is adjustable. If I can just get the thing out, he says, make a little bit of a mess of it. There we go. So it's got the collar sizes on. So this one goes right up to a size 19, size 20 actually, it'll go up to. I'm a size 16. I'm starting it off on there on my 16. You can adjust it. If you find it's a little bit tight, okay, just take it down and just take it down a notch. So if it's too tight, take it up a notch. If it's too loose, just take it down a notch. Trial and error. So ideally, if you're getting a bow tie, get one that's adjustable, and it will make life so much easier. Right. So let's make a start. So I've just zoomed out just slightly so you can see this better. So with your two ends, both the same length, we're going to cross one over the other. It doesn't really matter which way around that you do it, okay? I'm just crossing over the right over the left, but it doesn't make any difference. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring it, so the one that you go over the top comes up through the back. And then I'm just going to just put that there because I'm going to bring that one down in a minute. So I'm just going to concentrate on this one. So if I put my finger on there and I just fold it so we have that sort of, and then just adjusting it so we've got that classic bow tie shape there, and I'm just going to fix that there for a minute. And so I'm just holding it with the back bit, and this bit that you had before, if you just bring that down over the front, and then if I just put my finger through, you'll find that there's a loop. So where this bottom one went before, you've now got a hole, and all you're going to do, you can tighten this up slightly, is just to bring that wide part, so this opposite part through, like so, and then if I just open it back out again, you can see, and then in this case it's just adjusting so you've got the same on both sides. Here we go. Fold my collar down. Obviously if you've got a wing collar, it's so much, looks so better with your tuxedo. And there we have our handmade bow tie, which looks so much better than the clip-on ones, and I'm glad I've learned how to do it finally. I thought I'll share that with you. Thank you for watching. My name is Mr. C, and I shall see you in the next video.